Hey guys, welcome back to Opimation, and in this video we're gonna split from the flurry of fitness videos I've been putting up. I know some of you guys want to see some animation stuff, and so I just wanted to put this video out to show you, like, if any of you are in a bit of a rut and you want to animate, practice your animations, this is one exercise that I normally do, which kind of, when I was first starting off, used to help me just get my confidence up. So little animations, and yeah, it's just be a simple video, just simple rig that I downloaded off the internet, and I just practiced some like jump moves from one side to the other, just trying to be a bit creative, having fun with the environment, adding a bit of debris, as you'll see, and just little exercises. So let's go through it and I'll just quickly show you it. Be a quick video, just something that you can do if you ever feel like you just want to practice something different and having fun with it, basically. So let's dive right in and let's check it out, and then I'll go through it with you guys. Alright guys, so let's check this out. This is just an animation I did a while back, a few years back, and quite a few years back, and it's just something that I used to do when I was starting off in animation. I would do these little exercises like sorting out poses and checking out the hips, how they're moving, timing, how to get from one pose to another. So let's play this and check it out. So this is just a simple animation test that I did. Is it looping? Yeah. So this is a test I normally would do, and I would have a bit of fun with the environment. So you can see here like the debris on the floor. If you come here, like there, like little stuff like that, just like it just adds a bit more to that little scene. So stuff like that I just tend to have a bit of fun with, like here as well, all the debris coming down. And normally when I used to do these exercises, like this was rendered in viewport, you can see here, so it's added a bit of motion blur, so it just makes it look a bit more cooler. And I normally, what I would do is I would put a pose in here which is clear. So you've got this pose here. I look at this now, maybe I could have had it a bit more stronger like that, hanging off, but you look back in hindsight, right? But I just normally would just pose these kind of things, have the arm like this, just make sure you've got the negative space here, you've got all this positive space out here. So just a clear pose, basically. I'm practicing clear poses to get from that pose, where's it gone, from there to there, right? So then I would pose in here, I would just start thinking about the hips, like, all right, this is where I want it to go in a nice arc like this. And then when it comes here, I want the arc to be like cushioned and then back up and then cushion. So I'm just thinking a lot about the hips here, like posing, adding weight and stuff like that. So these are the kind of things I'm a bit more conscious of when I'm doing these exercises. And it's just good practice to just go back and practice the basics, yeah. So this is just a little exercise that I do, and the arms are IK too, so I make sure that they're following a nice arc as well. So I'll just track the wrists going over. I left them as IK because it was a short distance. Legs as well, and things I would like kind of be conscious of is like, okay, jumping, pushing off the arm. I mean, I probably could do this a bit more better now. I could really compress this in a bit more and then push off. Looking at it now, better posing, have a stronger line of action, stuff like that. But we all, in hindsight, it's good to critique your own work like that. And here I was just conscious of, all right, don't let anything land at the same time. So as he takes off, this leg comes off last because it's pushing off, then this arm comes off early, then when he comes there, this one, he grabs first here, then this leg comes in first, plants, yeah, then this arm comes, and then slight delay, this leg will come. So kind of breaking things up, making it look a bit more organic, feel more organic, which is really good, instead of everything landing at the same time, right? Successive breaking of different parts, adding some little drags and secondary motion, what have you. But that's basically what the exercise is for, just a bit of practicing that. We get from one pose to the other, get those poses in, then I would be like, all right, let's offset some poses. When he jumps, what happens? When he's jumping, he's grabbing with his hands first. He's gonna, obviously his eyes are looking towards where he's gonna grab and hold, and then the legs follow and land. So a bit of practice of not having everything land at the same time, you know, breaking things up as well, making it look more believable. So little exercises like that, you know, what's this, about a second, probably less than that, or 1 second. So things like that, you know. So doing little targets of these every week was very good for me to like kind of, I set these little mini goals and then I'd achieve them. And then I'd film myself sometimes if it was like jumping off a big ledge or what have you. But yeah, little exercises, you know, write them down, what you think about doing. Write a list of, say, you could do like 2 a week. So just little targets are good like that, you know, keeps you on edge, keeps you practicing and looking out for inspiration out there too, you know, that's always good as well, and putting your own little style to it. All right, guys, I hope this video made it a bit more inspirational for you to go out there and practice some simple animations, you know, not too, it's good to be over ambitious, but it's nice to do simple little ones as well, you know, get those basic fundamentals right, get the hips working right, get everything feeling organic, smooth. Then you can move on to the more complex stuff by breaking that down into little bits. Okay, so yeah, I did a flurry of fitness videos and I will be putting some more up every day. I will be putting one up every day for the next month. I think I've got a lot of footage that I want to share with you in terms of my transformation, because I want to help you guys if you guys are interested in that. And I'm sure there's a lot of other people who are wanting to transform their mind and body in some way. So I hope both of these help. I'll try and do a balance of both animation and fitness, but I will be doing tutorials. Don't worry, I will be doing those. It's just this is taking up more of my time than I thought, but definitely animation is there as well. Don't worry, I will be doing more teachings on animation as well. Okay, so yeah, happy animating, have fun animating, and I'll see you in the next video.